was waiting for so long for a miracle to come. Everyone told me to be strong, hold on, and don't shed a tear. Hush, and now I see the light in the sky. Oh, it's almost blinding me. I can't believe I've been touched by an angel with love. Let the rain come down and wash away my fears. Let it fill my soul and drown my fears. Let it shatter the walls for a new sun, a new day.